Come get him. Come. Every day I come to give you guys food. Your baby's growing. You still have 10. No one is missing. You guys doing a good job, huh? Yes, you guys doing a good job. Yes. Look how big your babies are. They're getting big, right? Yeah, I have more. There's more. There's more for you guys, look. I have. You guys can eat. Yes. I will come every day, okay? I know you guys come from north. Look your babies. They're growing. You guys getting close and close to me every day. It's enough? No more? Okay. Have a good day.